Yeah guys, do you have already your automatic wire stripping tool? If you don't have one at home, then you're probably missing out on one of the greatest innovations recently, or maybe not so much. So let's look a little bit deeper into that. So here's this set with 3 different sizes. We have a 2.5mm, we have a 4mm, we have a 6mm. You can see already the different sizes regarding the diameter here. The whole set comes also, of course, with this bit holder, which you can use in a normal electric drill. So it's super easy to attach it. You just add it here, you can see, and it's ready to attach one of these tips. And if you're not sure which size to use, you can hold it like that. And then on the side you can see the knife. You just push it here inside. And the best would be if it goes till about the middle of the knife. By the way, the knives are replaceable. You get even this hex tool here to open, remove, replace. But unfortunately the knives are not adjustable. I wish they were adjustable, because there's a big problem here that it doesn't fit for all the wires. I've been expecting that it would fit for most of the wires, but it's actually pretty picky. And so let's try the green wire here with the 4mm. So we hold it just like that and let the electric drill screw this into this tip. Can even hold it. Of course, you have to make sure that you're using a rather low torque. So you can see it's nicely secured now. And so when we have the right size, the right tip, we can just rotate it and then hold it into this automatic stripping tool. You can see it's already done. That was no trick, no cutting needed in the video. This was real time and it worked absolutely awesome. But the bad thing is I tried this also with some other wires. Here absolutely nothing going. You can see that here when I push the wire inside, it goes to the end without any resistance. So I remove this here and using the smallest one, that's the 2.5mm. It's pretty easy to replace the tips, and so I hold it also here inside. And you can see I can do whatever I want. Nothing is going to happen. So the size has to match really pretty accurate. Otherwise it's too small, too large. I mean, if you're using always the same size and it fits here, this could be an awesome thing. It's really super easy to be used. But if you can't find a match between the wire and the tip, then it's really not going to do anything. And we have also another tool. And as far as I can see, this would be something to twist 2 or more wires. And so I attach it here, and so I have 2 wires here. I keep them here inside, but I have really no clue how this is supposed to work. Maybe somebody can tell me how this should work, but I also couldn't find any other video where somebody would show this thing really working. It's also plastic, but I mean even plastic could work. When it would be maybe a little bit smaller, would have been a little bit better design. So overall not a total scam, but I'm definitely going to stick with this traditional wire stripper. It's much more flexible, small tool which does never run out of battery, and it fits for every size, or at least virtually any size of wire. Of course it can happen that you adjust it to a too small size, and then you're not only cutting the plastic but also the wire itself, but usually not so much of a problem. You can see also took me just 2 seconds and worked right away. Also for this size where this set didn't work. And such a wire stripper, maybe $5 or so, can't really remember anymore, but I have this since 30 years. Did the job really good for pretty much every size of wire, every size and every type, but unfortunately not so much this set. Even though the idea is not too bad, but the end result is not really good. So really not something which you need to have, at least not as far as I can see at the moment. Maybe you have some other opinion on that, then just let us know down in the feedback area. Other than that, I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you're still interested in this set. I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing anyway down into the description, so you can check it out and do whatever you want to do. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.